So we're going to start our journaling session by setting it up. I've got some of the equipment that you'll need for this, so some glue. I've printed off the worksheet that you've got as a PDF, but you don't have to, because you can just write this out if you don't have a printer. I've got a selection of pencils and pens that I like to use, so I think it's important to just choose whatever you like. I've got some watercolour pencils. I've got these fabulous coloured pens that have got the different colours in them, a biro, and I've got some fine liners, but just use whatever you like to work with. Colour is quite important to me when I'm journaling, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So it is good to have a range of colours, but they can be felt tip pens or whatever you've got. So what I'm going to do first of all is I've got the worksheet, but as I said, you don't have to have this printed out at all. You'll find two documents on this section. One of them is this worksheet as a PDF, and one of them will be the lists of prompts that you could use. It may not be arranged like this, it's just more of a list for you to use, and then you can put it in your journal in your own creative way. So this journaling sheet has come out of the Creative Personal Development course that I teach for ACL. So that's why it's got daily CPD journaling, and this has been used by lots of students. It's been tried and tested. And the way this works is that it's usually given as a handout, and you can work through it all in one go if you want to, or you can do it piece by piece. So I've sort of taken this idea, because I know that the prompts work very well, and what I've done is I've cut it up. So for this journal, I've decided that I don't want it to be all in one go. As I said in the introduction, I just want it to be scattered through the book. So because I've cut it up, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and I'm going to put in the different sections in different parts of the journal. As I said, you can do this any way you want to. The important thing about this is your book. This is your book, so you can do it in any way you want. So I'm going to put this here. This is the Moments of Gratitude page. So the idea of this is that when you flick to this page, you can write down the things that you're grateful for. It has been proven that coming up with